Hi friends, it's Daira. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the Olaplex curl repair system, which I just got, and my mother has been transitioning. That's what her hair looks like. So she's been transitioning. She was relaxed. She went from relaxed to just using heat, and now she stopped using heat. So we're trying to get her curls back into a healthier state. So I'm gonna try the system. I've never used it before. It actually just came out not that long ago. So we're gonna try it out, testing it on her. So the first part of the process was to shampoo and cleanse her hair using a clarifying treatment. Olaplex does sell a cheatling treatment. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it is an intense deep cleaning. So it's like a shampoo that you apply, you sit under the dryer and all that. It really removes all the buildup on the hair strand. Her hair was not that bad, so I was just able to use clarifying shampoo to make sure that I got rid of any buildup. And of course, I did not apply any conditioner or anything like that. I am using a detangling hair brush. I do sell these on my website as well. Now they have them everywhere, but if you need one, check it my website out and get it from there. So then I'm just gonna apply the first step into small sections. Now you're supposed to use like an applicator bottle, but as you can see, I'm home and I did not have one here, so I'm just applying it with the brush and soothing it through every single strand. And her hair back here is in a better state than the top, so it's really taking well to the product, and her hair is like curling almost immediately is when I put the product on. So I'm telling you what I am doing. However, I'm not telling you what exactly this product is. This is Olaplex curled bond shaping treatment. It's called the Bond Shaper Curl Rebuilding Treatment. So what it claims to do is to go deep inside your hair strand, all the way deep into the cortex, and what it's going to do is to rebuild and reform your curls. So it's fixing all the bonds that might be broken in the hair strand to place your curl back in place, your natural curl back in place. And then the steps that you do, lock it in. This, however, is only guaranteed for 15 shampoo washes. So I will be testing that out as well to see how long it actually stays in, but it is meant to improve your curls and give it moisture so that you can enjoy your natural curls again. Okay, so the first thing, as you saw, I had to put step one on and kind of like just rake it, just distribute it. It didn't say to comb or brush, but I did just to make sure that it was like I was able to fully get it on the strands, because some of the sections the hair was kind of like knotted a little bit, so I just combed through it and then went back in and kind of smoothed it through the hair strands. So now I have to take small sections and spray number 2 on. That's what the bottle looks like. So now we're going to do that step. I did forget to mention that in between all these steps, you have to wait 10 minutes. Just let each product process in the hair before you go on to the next step. So with that second product, what I had to do was scrunch the hair, apply it, scrunch the hair. And the first product is the repair, actually repairing. The second one enhances it and locks it in. And this third one is to define the curls. So this one is more like a gel kind of product. So as you can see, I'm just taking small amounts and applying it to each section just to get it all through and define each curl. So yeah, I just go through, and then when I am done, I do have her sit under the dryer. I am spraying part two because the instructions say that if the hair has dried or it's gotten basically if the hair dries while you're working, you can re-wet it with two, so you don't introduce water or anything else. And also, you cannot wash your hair or wet your hair for 2 days after doing this treatment, because you kind of need to let these products sit in your hair for the 48 hours. So yeah, guys, you see I'm combing it through. I'm just trying to define her curls so that when it's dry, she has actual style. So that's what I'm doing here. Her hair on the top, like I said, the bottom and the perimeter of her hair seems to curl up very nicely, but the middle and the very top gets really frizzy, and it just doesn't allow too much product to go in there correctly. So those are the hair strands that we really need to work on repairing. But you know, it takes time. Like I said, my mother has had years and years of relaxers, and she's grown that out. Then it was years of uh, heat to her hair. Should always blow dry it. Well, I should say I would always blow dry and straighten it because that's what she wanted done. She wanted her hair straight, which you can imagine after years and years of relaxers. Yeah, it was kind of a challenge to have her let that go, but when she finally did, she still wanted the same look. She wanted her hair straight. So now she's learning finally, because it's never too late. She's learning to love her own natural curls, and I'm so happy that she's gotten to this point. I love my curls. I love to wear my hair straight also, so I like to go back and forth, but I'm always treating my curls, and I can tell when they've had enough of heat, so I kind of lay off the heat for a little bit, and then once they're back to being nice, then I'll go back to heat. It's, you know, one of my specialties is doing hair without damaging the hair using heat. So this is what it looks like, guys, after I applied the product, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after it dried. So I did do, this is her after the dryer. I did do a follow-up where I washed these products out and used their leave-in and their gel to redefine it, and also gave her a little bit of shape. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.